Let's clean and organize my cat area.
I started out by cleaning out the cat food bins. This is really important to do to get rid of any bacteria that can accumulate in there over time. I then wiped down all the shelving after taking everything off with a disinfectant wipe. Next, I vacuumed the floor around the area for any dust and debris that may have fallen. And then this is the final end result.